Welcome back to the channel, friends. In today's adventure, my friend and I, say hi Bill.
Hey.
Bill and I are sailing to National Yacht Club in Toronto for a club cruise, which is fun. Club cruises are just a nice way to get around the lake and check other spots out, and sailing into Toronto is always nice. So we'll check in with you guys as we go. The wind is pretty patchy. It's probably going to be a lot of motoring, unfortunately. I'm doing 3.5 at the moment, which is simply unacceptable. So yeah, we're just gonna cruise and listen to some tunes and have a good time. We'll check in with you from time to time, and definitely when we come into Toronto, because sailing into Toronto is pretty spectacular for the most part, although it's pretty foggy today, or smoggy, I don't know. It's hard to say, eh? But this is the depressing state of things here. Should maybe put a better trim on those sails. I would say out. Put it out because it's kind of on the beam. Not enough.
Oh,
not enough.
Oh boy.
Yeah, this is not. See, it's saying 9-10 true on the beam. We should be rocking and rolling, but we're not. Now it might be up there. Yeah, because the top streamer is doing a lot better than the lower.
Oh yeah, it is.
All right, so we've been going for like an hour and 20 minutes-ish. And we're just coming up to the famous Ajax Weather Buoy, which is a mark that we use for our medium distance races. We are having to tack because the wind is basically the direction that we want to be going. You could motor sail, but the wind is strong. I mean, it's 13 knots of breeze, so I don't mind tacking in that scenario. It's gonna take forever. sound that you can hear is the sound of failure. The wind just kept dying and it's on the nose to where we want to go. So once the boat speed dropped below 4 knots, that's sort of my that's my pain tolerance. So we're back up to 6.6 now under motor. Could actually maybe go a little bit. I don't know what RPM you're supposed to run this at. I've seen different things online. That's 2400, which I understand is supposed to be optimal. I don't know. That's 6.9 at 2400. I'll take it. Rather be sailing. We're sailing! Had the motor for a while, but the wind's come back, so that's excellent. Not going 7 knots like we were under the motor, but that's okay. At least we're sailing, and it's mercifully quiet. Wind is super fluky though, it keeps bouncing around between 90 and 30 degrees. But we're sailing.
It's Outer Harbor.
Yeah.
Okay. Because there's always a lot of kiteboarding going on there. And
Well, yeah, so on Cherry Beach is like right there and then kind of all the way down there. And there's like, I want to say 5 or 6 little sailing clubs.
Oh, really?
All
Okay.
stacked right against each other.
okay.
So
Got it.
like small boats.
Yeah, yeah,
You know, dinghies basically.
Sure. Is that where all the big albacore fleet is?
I don't know.
Oh no, that might have been Ashland. Somebody holds races and they got a shitload of albacores. You just sign up.
Okay.
You get an albacore sign fee.
So it might be in there, yeah. And then there's the multi-hull club. So there's like maybe 15 trimarans all moored in there as well.
Oh, okay.
Off Cherry Beach.
There's a trimaran tied at Chris Mace's spot right beside me.
I saw it come in. Yeah, yeah. It was a big one.
Jesus. Like it was 30 foot, 2 foot long, and it had to be 25 foot wide. Like
Right.
It was just like
Yeah. Those boats
I was
move.
showing somebody a picture that I took. He's like, oh well, whatever. But no, that's one hulk.
Yeah. Yeah.
Two more, right? Holy shit! You know.
Okay, rounding the island, heading into the city. Sadly under motor. We've been under motor for probably an hour at least. Wind just didn't want to play ball. That's okay. With any luck, we'll get a sail on the way back too. And the first couple hours were pretty good, I'd say. I'll take that. I'll take that. I don't know if you can see the city. These GoPros are too zoomed out, too wide angle to really get a good view, but that's Hanlan's Beach. Okay. Wow, this is narrow, eh?
Oh yeah. Yeah, when it's slamming, it's a little dangerous to go in around them. Like I say, that's why we've used that before. Small boats.
Yacht today, this is the postman's office. Is everything all good at 247? Copy that, thank you very much, over.
So we're going to be on the right. This is Dock A, we're 111.
Oh, so we're right here and then a right turn.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
I'm not sure exactly where, but we'll find it.
Sweet spot. Get membership for this one.
The back one, maybe? Are you close enough?
Yep.
Here, I'll throw you the stern.
Okay friends, it's 6:20 in the morning on Sunday. I'm very bleary-eyed, but gotta get home. So it's been a great weekend here at National Yacht Club. Thank you, National Yacht Club, for hosting the Whitby Yacht Club. So yeah, we're gonna get out on the water hopefully in the next half hour or so, and it looks like it should be pretty good winds to sail all the way home, make good time. So excited for that. So we're gonna get the boat squared away and off the dock. Let's do this.
Top of the morning to you sailors. Neatly out of the harbor and just rounding Toronto Island now. Stayed out of the danger zone of the airport, and I thought they didn't operate until much later, but 6:59 the first plane just took off. So you do want to avoid that that area if you have a tall mast. Absolutely gorgeous out here. I'm just gonna keep the motor on, I think, until we round the bottom part of the island here, and then hopefully do a spin run. We'll see. Gonna need maybe some more coffee first. So there's a dark cloud over my shoulder, and it's coming out onto the lake at some point. The question is, does it hit us or not? That'll be the game that we are going to play for the next hour or so. Looks like it's got a bit of energy in it, so I hope it does miss us, but I kind of feel like we're maybe tracking on the same line. Good thing I didn't pack a rain jacket. Can't fix stupid, as they say. Oh, hello, friends. Well, how long have we been at this now? Let's have a look. So it's been 3 hours of steady motoring, but the wind just finally started to play ball. So now we sail. Giving up a 1.5 knots of boat speed to make this happen, but that's a sacrifice I'll make every day of the week. Actually, not bad. 5.5. Yeah, I'll take that. We're just south of Pickering. To go from National on the other side of the island to Pickering in 3 hours is not bad. The motor is strong on this boat, I give it that. But nice to have some silence back. Probably an hour and a bit to go, and then we home. So isn't this sailing for you from absolutely nothing, screaming along at 7 knots on a beam reach, getting what, 20 knots of breeze?
20.